In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E87 quickly and easily. This error can appear when Steam fails to connect properly or when a game installation has corrupted or missing files. The good news is that you usually don't need to reinstall Steam or your games to fix it. With just a few simple steps, you can get everything working again in a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step so you can follow along on your own computer. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and start fixing Steam error code E87. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes this error happens because Steam is still running in the background even after you close the window. To make sure it's fully closed, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. You may see processes called Steam, Steam Client Web Helper, or Steam.exe. Click on each Steam-related process and then press End Task. This will force Steam to close completely so it can restart cleanly. After you've closed every Steam process, open Steam again, normally from your desktop or Start menu. Once Steam launches, go to your Steam library where all your installed games are listed. Now locate the game that was showing the E87 error. Right-click on that game and select Properties from the menu that appears. Inside the Properties window, look for the tab labeled Local Files. Click on it and then choose the option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. What this does is scan all of the game's installed files and compare them with the official version stored on Steam's servers. If any files are missing, corrupted, or outdated, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish. Once the verification process is complete, restart Steam one more time and try launching the game again. In most cases, the E87 error will be gone and the game will start normally. And that's it. That's how to fix Steam error code E87 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.